We're joined now by journalist Ricardo Perez-Solero, who's based in Madrid. Ricardo, what does this announcement mean for daily life in Spain?
Hi, Anthony. This means effectively we're back to a square one. So to the legal and administrative standpoint in which we were last March, the COVID-19 situation has forced the regional and central governments to seek for a legal umbrella to be able to implement measures that restrict people's freedoms, in particular, freedom of movement. And they want to do it in a flexible and urgent way, that they couldn't do it before. The decentralized approach of previous months that put the autonomous communities in the center of the responsibility has now officially flatlined. So now everyone has the same rules as the base of rules. This is a curfew from 11 at night to 6 a.m. in the morning and limitation of 6 people in social gatherings.
Back to square one, as you put it. How did it come to this?
Well, Spain had really good numbers after the lockdown in spring, but we lifted up restrictions fairly quickly, and they were trying to attract European tourists and to revitalize the economy of those areas more dependent on tourism. But it backfired fairly quickly, and especially this has been seen in Madrid. I mean, the capital is the worst affected autonomous community, but there are hotspots all over the country, and the numbers are growing in Castilla y León, Catalonia, Aragon, Basque Country.
Fatigue is a word we're hearing a lot. Is corona fatigue a factor here among residents as it relates to virus restrictions, do you think?
No doubt, after the first lockdown, everyone in Spain was very afraid of a second round. But in any case, except a few protests and a few negativist groups and other exceptions, everyone wears masks here and is pretty obedient with the rules. I mean, the chaos, for example, in Madrid between the central government and the regional government fighting for administrative control didn't help much for the citizens to know whose rules to follow. And of course, this resulted in a lack of faith on politicians. But there's also other issues like the private gatherings and parties that still happen in some cities of Spain and talk a lot about the level of responsibility and awareness of the youth.
Ricardo Perez-Solero in Madrid, thank you so much.
Thank you.